Hello children, and today I will tell you a story of a lion and a clever rabbit. Now once in the jungle there was a ferocious lion, and the lion used to attack all the animals and he used to kill 2-3 animals every day, and he had become a terror in the forest. Now all the animals were very frightened and didn't know what to do. So they all called a meeting, and in the meeting they had a discussion. And they called the lion, and the lion said, "Yes, what is this meeting? I am the king of the jungle. Why are you having a meeting without me?" So all the animals said, "Lion, lion, you are so strong, you are so brave. You have been killing so many animals and we are getting very scared." So the lion said, "Okay, I can help you out. What you do, you send me one animal every day to my cave, and then I'll eat that animal. There won't be any me attacking any animal. You people can decide which animal should be sent to me every day." Now the animals had also no choice. They were terrorized with this lion in the forest. So they decided to do a draw of lots, and every day they'll draw out a lot and send one animal to the lion's den. Now this was going on. It was quite sad, quite tragic. The animal which was selected used to be very sad. Now one day this rabbit was caught. Now this rabbit was a thin rabbit, a small rabbit. He was thinking, now what to do? My turn has come. So he was going sadly dejected to the lion's den. But on the way he saw a well, and when he looked into the well, suddenly he had an idea, and then he decided to tell a story to the lion. So he went a bit late. He was supposed to reach there at 1 o'clock. He went there at around 2 o'clock, 2:30. And he went tired, and then the lion growled, "What is this? Why are you so late? You're supposed to come at 1 o'clock. My lunch time is 1 o'clock. So the rabbit said, sorry, not my fault, and not the fault of all the other animals also. We had sent 4 rabbits to you so that you have a great meal. But on the way, another lion ate 3 of my friends, and 3 of the rabbits he ate off. I somehow saved myself and came running towards you. Okay, but it took me some time to dodge the lion. But here I am." So the lion said, "What? Who's this other lion in the jungle? I am the only lion in this jungle. I am the king of this jungle." So the rabbit said, yes, you are king, but that other lion was very strong. We couldn't do anything." So the lion said, "Okay, show me this other lion. Where did you see him?" So the rabbit said, "Okay, let's go." Now this was all rabbit's idea, okay. So he took the lion to that well. Now he said, the lion is inside the well. The other lion is inside the well. Inside the well? So this lion looked into that well. And when he looked into the well, what did he see? Yes, in the water below, there was a reflection. Like we see in the mirror our own faces, like that the lion saw his own reflection in the water below. He thought it's another lion. So he said, "Who are you?" And what the echo from the well came, a sound from the well came back, which said, "Who are you?" He said, "I am the king of the jungle," the lion said. So from the inside the well also an echo came, "I am the king of the jungle." Now this lion got really angry. So the rabbit outside said, "Come on lion, you are the stronger one. You are the king of the jungle. How can that other lion even think of attacking you? You should not leave that lion. How dare he kill my friends?" So this lion got all excited, and then he jumped into that well to catch the lion. But what happened as soon as he jumped into the well? He fell into the water, and now he could not escape the well. And the rabbit was very happy, and the rabbit called all the animals in the jungle. They all came, and they saw that the lion was trapped inside the well. So with that we come to the end of the story. Now we saw that the rabbit was very clever, and he came up with some smart ideas. Do you have a lot of ideas with you? Think about it. Thank you.